Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of the Realme Buds Air 2. So I'm just showing you the box right now. As you can see, the MRP is 4599, but I got it for less on the Flipkart sale. And I'm showing you the box. As you can see, I'm just going to open it right now on camera. I don't know what to expect. So I'm using my knife, my blade. When you're cutting your box, don't cut too deep. That's why I've kept the knife in the first setting. The packaging of the product is good, but the one complaint I have is there were no pull tabs. So as you can see, I'm just removing the outer plastic, but even after this the box doesn't open up. It's a bit difficult. As you can see, I think Apple has this figured out, but other companies are still figuring out. So anyways, the box is open. So when you open it, you will first see the buds itself in its case. It has a small protective covering there, no pull tabs, but you can just pick it up like this, and you can just unwrap the covering, the protective covering. That's just to prevent any scratches, so that's a good touch. This thing is glossy plastic, as you can see, but I've been using this unboxing has been shot a few days back, and I've been using it and there have not been any scratches on it, so there's no complaints there. In the box you get the user manual. You can see this, the user manual is here, so you can go through that. It shows how you can pair the device and all that if you read your manuals. And you have the extra ear tips. So one is already on it, the medium size is already on it, the small and the large sizes are in the box in this. And here you have the charging cable. There is no adapter, just the charging cable, and the charging cable is USB-C. So that is really good, because USB-C is the future and all devices should be using it, so that's really good. You can just carry one charger and you can charge all your devices. So when you open it up, it's ready to use. You can see this, so just open it up and it will pair with your device, and that's why the video got cut there. It actually paired with my device directly. The device is really good and I have been using it for the past few days. I will put a detailed review, so stay tuned to the channel and I will give you the detailed review. This has been Jace for TopEvt. I'll see you in the next video.